Hello friends, welcome back to our channel UiPath Bots. In this video, we are going to learn about output activities. In our previous session, we have seen output methods, full text, native and OCR, and what are the differences between these methods and when to use which method and all, right? So now let us see the activities which we can use for extracting data from UI elements. Okay. So before that, I would request you to please do subscribe our channel, and for more videos, please click on the bell icon and select all option. And please do not forget to share these videos with your friends and colleagues, and your support will definitely boost me, will encourage me in with some more good content and good practice sessions to come up with our upcoming videos. So let's start with our today's video, that is output activities. What are these output activities? So we have various activities in our UiPath Studio, right? Out of those activities, we use specific activities to get some data from UI elements. So when we are doing UI automation, during UI automation, we need activities to get data, to extract data from UI elements or from interface. We can say application, so whatever it is. So when we are doing a UI automation, we need activities to get or to extract data from the elements in application. So those activities are called output activities. Now let us see what are the main output activities. Before going to that, let me tell you, we have output methods, right? Input methods, output methods, which we covered in our previous videos. If you do not watch that video, please do watch the video and learn about the input methods and output methods. The difference between the input methods and input activities and output method and output activities are, all the input activities contains all the input methods, right? The properties properties of the activities contains the methods, input methods. But whereas here in activities, output activities, it depends on what the environment, it depends on the kind of data, the type of data what you are extracting, from where you are extracting. Multiple things are there to consider, right? So it's not like all the output activities can avail all the output methods. Okay, keep this in mind. Now let us see what are the output activities. First, get text. So when we are getting some text, we use get text, get OCR text, right? There are multiple get text activities. Next, get visible text. So here we can say that get full text. Okay. Next, data scraping. Wizard, and then extract attributes, right? There are the many output activities which are available in UiPath Studio. Now let's see what does these mean each. Get text. So the name says, what is this? Getting some text. So it will retrieves data from a field or UI element. Okay. Now let's see the get full text. What it will do, it is getting the full text. As the name indicates, it is going to use our full text method. So when we are using screen scraping through full text method, in such scenario, this activity will be retrieving data, complete full text in the sense along with hidden data. Okay, and text information. Okay, so this we use during screen scraping. So in screen scraping technique, it will automatically get the data, hidden data. Along with the hidden data, complete text information, text value will be extracted using this get full text activity. Okay, next let us move on to get OCR text. So you can see this, the difference. OCR text, optical character recognition. So that means it works for virtual environment. What it is doing, it will extract data. Here it will give us a string. Okay. Next, coming to OCR, it will extract complete data from UI element in virtual environment. Okay. Now so as I said, like it is virtual environment, it will work with the, it will be this kind of activity will be auto generated when we use OCR screen scraping. Okay, so again this will also, this is a kind, this is a string extraction. Okay, now let's move on to the next one, that is get visible text. So this is a activity which is used to get the value, string value, which is not hidden. Okay, which is only visible data. And one more important thing is that it is, this activity will be auto generated when we use native screen scraping method. So if you see here, the full text, there is full text, yeah, full text, it will be going with the full text screen scraping, and OCR, it will go, it will be auto generated when we use OCR screen scraping along with the container. And here visible text, it will be auto generated using when we use native screen scraping method. Okay, so now let us move on to data scraping wizard. This is the main thing. Data scraping is a technology used from a technology in UiPath Studio, which is used to extract structured data from an application or any document or any UI element. Okay, so it gets the structured data. Keep this in mind, it gets the structured data, whereas screen scraping, it will give any unstructured data. It will extract any unstructured data into a string. Here data scraping, it will extract the structured data into a data table. Okay, now let us see what is this. This is a technology by UiPath Studio which extracts structured data from an application or a document. Okay, so now how to use this data scraping? We have this option is available in the, see here, data scraping. This option is available in the UiPath ribbon itself, UiPath Studio. Okay, so here if you see data scraping, we can use this, right? So this is available in the from UiPath Studio ribbon. Okay, and there are multiple options available in data scraping wizard. Say for example, we can uh, select the columns. We can remove or adjust the columns, and we can extract complete data. So that in the sense complete data rows. Say for example, by default will be default 100 rows will be extracted. You can increase or decrease this. If you are not given any thing, if you give 0, it will extract complete all the data available on the application or on the document. Okay, we will learn about this data scraping wizard in a separate video to understand it more better, and we will see the difference between screen scraping and data scraping also in upcoming videos. Okay, for now, just on a high level to understand what are the available activities, output activities, this is enough. Okay, so now let's move on to extract attributes. There will be situations where we need to get the details or information about the text available or the data available in the UI element. Say for example, information in the sense the parent information, parent field information. Say suppose if I see this data scraping wizard, this is a word which is available in a notepad, right? So this is the body of the notepad, where the main container is notepad. So when I want to read this data, along with this data, I want to know the parent attribute of this particular data. What is the parent attribute here? Parent attribute is going to be the notepad. So how to extract the parent details or the attribute details? We will be using the extract attributes activity in UiPath Studio to get such parent information. Okay, parent attribute information, right? Or when I want to understand, instead of getting some data or the value, I want to know it's the position of the field, or maybe the color. So the formatting of the formatting information of the field or the value, the data. So instead of getting the data, I would like to get the parent details, parent attribute details, or the position of the field, or the color of the field, or the formatting. In such scenarios, we'll go for these extract attribute activities. Okay, there are multiple activities involved in this. So for example, get ancestor, right? We have get attribute, next get position, so on. Okay, these kind of activities comes under extract attribute activities. Okay, so I hope you got a clear information now on the number of outlook methods and output methods and output activities in UiPath Studio. Now let me minimize this. Okay, so we have these many. So we have get full text, get text, OCR text, get visible text, get data scraping wizards, and we learned about extract attribute activities. So I hope you got a clear information and you are ready to answer this interview question when you face this kind of question, right? And also the difference between the screen scraping and data scraping wizard and OCR native and full text scraping methods, right? So that's all for today's in this video. Let us meet through our next videos. Thank you so much for your valuable support, and please do watching our videos, and don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends too. Okay, till then, happy learning and happy automation. Thank you so much. Bye.